Hello, today I'm going to start doing my flip. It is 7:44 p.m. I'm the type of person I come up work a little late. I'm not a morning type person, so that's why I do things myself. And this is a single house, so there's not going to be any noise. As you can see, that is a mess right here. I'm going to close one of the kitchen window. Okay, I got all the window cover up because sometimes they see you working on a house, they have a tendency to break in. Okay, finished removing the closet. I bought the house with a closet like that, but that was when it was for rent, so never really bother fixing it. So now since we are going to sell it, we go give them a nice looking closet. Okay, and this is day one of working on the house, on flipping this property. You guys make sure you guys subscribe and follow me, so I can show you. I'm going to show you every single time, every single day that I'm working on the house. I will show you the result of it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Okay, man.